Wasabi ya or mabuhay, Dang here and Dang. I submitted a claim through Allianz Travel Insurance. I'll share all the details soon. In this video, I'll share a dang it moment of a monsoon in paradise that delayed my trip a day where I had to rebook my flights and cancel hotel reservation. Good news, Allianz Travel Insurance paid my claim. Dang note, Allianz was recommended to me by a doctor friend years ago, and I've been able to use them for various international trips. I found their website easy to use and their customer service very good. It was also a breeze to submit a claim online. Let's start with my dang itinerary. My brother and I traveled to the Philippines to experience island hopping in paradise. We flew to Cebu City and Puerto Princesa, Palawan as our hub cities to get to El Nido and Balabac. In Balabac, which is the southern part of Palawan, we experienced a monsoon of heavy winds and rain, causing rough seas the morning of our departure back to the mainland port. The Philippines Coast Guard canceled all sea travel that morning, which meant an extra day in paradise. Yes, we stressed out a bit since we had to rearrange our travel plans, but we expected the unexpected because our travel company, ATX Travel Tours, did set that expectation up front that Mother Nature can cause delays or alternative planning. For us, this was all part of the adventure. At our stay, JD Lodge in Balabac, we had free Wi-Fi, so we were able to rebook our flights the next day. When I do long international trips, I like to purchase travel insurance for the possibility of travel delays or cancellations. Dang note, I also purchase travel insurance when doing more physical activities for emergency situations. For example, in the Philippines, I knew I was going ziplining, canyoneering, and partaking in fun water activities like snorkeling. I also recently did a solo trip to Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, where I did hang gliding and hiking. Now, what if I had an accident or life-threatening emergency and needed to be airlifted or transported in an emergency vehicle? This plan covers $1 million in emergency medical transportation and $50,000 in emergency medical coverage. For me, this was peace of mind, especially as I get older. Remember to keep all receipts and documents, which will help you submit your claim. I flagged all my confirmation emails for my flights and saved the notes from ATX Travel Tours and the Philippines Coast Guard that details the weather incident so that I can submit all this as supporting documents in my claim. Now let's talk about submitting a claim, which I completed when I came back home after my vacation. On the Allianz website, click on the Claim Center on the top and Start New Claim button in the middle. Select the type of plan you purchase. For me, it was a single trip travel. Then on the next page, fill out policy number or email address, date of purchase or date of departure, and zip code, then click submit. On the next page, select plan benefit, in my case, travel delay. You'll then be asked for additional information like who, what, where, when, and why. You'll explain what happened and include all expenses. Then comes uploading the documents. I submitted the flights that was canceled, my new rebook flights, my hotel that I had to cancel, and all supporting documents about the monsoon incident. Lastly, the final page is reimbursement method, which I chose direct deposit into my bank account for ease. Once everything was submitted, I received a confirmation email. I had one phone call with an Allianz representative to review everything. After 22 days, I received an email that my claim was approved and that I will receive $782 deposited right into my account. Overall, fairly easy and smooth, just a little bit of waiting to get reimbursed. Totally worth it. Our trip to paradise in Balabac, Palawan, Philippines was a trip of a lifetime. Check out my previous videos to see our dang adventures. We were glad we purchased travel insurance for peace of mind and for the incident like this, monsoon that delayed us an extra day. We were covered for additional flight expenses and non-refundable hotel charge. I hope you found this video helpful. Give me a dang follow and check out my website, where'sdang.com, for additional info. Thank you, appreciate you, bye!